for the update. And abangan si Barbie kasama ang cast ng Beauty Empire for Sikno Money Festival 2025 sa June 7 na yan. Kapuso Festival. Ito yung media conference ni David.
And would like to share a few words.
Congrats pa nga si Barbie kay David. Ito yung video.
Congratulations, David, sa iyong great realizing. I love you. I want you to know that I'm very, very proud of you. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong journey as a recording artist. Tuloy mo na. Tuloy mo ng Arian album. I'm proud of you and I'm always here for you to support you. Hindi ka palagi. Congratulations.
Yun ang supported si Barbie.
It's in the works. Nakita ko sa schedule ko lang niya akong gagawin na music video. So looking forward to it. With regards to kung sino yung aking maging love team, let's see kung sino. And again, it all depends on the management, kung ano yung mag-work, and kung sino rin yung pwede. Ako naman, ginagawa ko lang yung aking binibigay sa akin na trabaho.
Ito yung mga request. Barbie.
Barbie? Oo naman, syempre. Depende sa kanya kung willing siya to do it. Alam naman natin na very busy siya doing endorsements, doing her show now, diba? So, let's see. Hopefully, she is game to do it. Good to see it, because they only live once, and mali ka.
Ana.
Hello, thank you for coming here. Thank you so much, guys. Not to Spark for having us here. Sarap. Thank you, guys. Sarap ng look kaya.
Isang download yan. Yun yung mga highlights. David. Saka yung behind the scene. So, I think I love you. Kasi pumasok siya ng PBB. Nag-recording. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.